Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Through this video we will tell you how you can earn unlimited money without spending money and by using this. Other people are printing money in lakhs. Let's know how to earn money without spending money. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. First, open your Chrome browser and search chat GPT. Search ChatGPT. Then you got this website, first website, ChatGPT optimizing language model for. Then click here. Look at this. Just scroll down and click here to try ChatGPT. Look at this, sometime may be taken, so wait just 1 minute. So here verify you are human, so click here. Then this website verify you, then success. Then look at here, login or sign up. If you new here, then you click sign up. If you old, then login. I click to login. Then here you write a keyword. For example, I write how to create a YouTube channel. Then I click here. So see here, a new article is ready for you. See. Then if you interested to this article, you should copy this and paste on your Blogger website. You create a free Blogger website and then writing post, copy first to last to this article and paste here. Just paste here. There are no works, only copy paste work, and you should earn money. The next video I should try to understand you how to create a Blogger website and how earn money from Blogger, free Blogger.